Welcome to Shrinarayana Vidyalaya Kanhan online class. Subject Jumbo Art Standard 7. Chapter 33 Animal Drawing Brush and Ink. Observe this. Here the characteristics, tapering lines. All these are the lines of the watercolor brush are used to create an aura of the tones like this. It is difficult to draw the picture with the watercolor, but the brush strokes put force in the picture. So the students, if you want to wish to draw this painting, if your mood is good, then it will reflect in your work clearly. So sketch the same here. It is already given in your drawing book. Students 34, face proportion, human drawing. Look here, this is the side view of the face and this is the front view of human face. Drawing a human figure or face is very difficult, as one needs to keep proportion of in it. So you need to be a very attentive while drawing a human face. So once you understand how to draw it, you can easily make any face of human by dividing the face into the 4 parts like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So sketch the same here. Already 4 lines are given. Now 35 parts of a face. Eyes. Observe this, students. Before making portrait, study of eyes is necessary. Students, you should keep yourself busy by drawing such a beautiful eyes. Look here. Open eye, close eye. So you have to sketch in the blank boxes given in your drawing book. Next is drawing a nose. So let's see how to draw nose in very simple steps. Study of nose is also the necessary prerequisite. Students, you should keep them to draw perfectly with the observation. Before drawing the sketch of any nose, you have to frequently observe the formation of nose. Once you are able to draw nose properly, you can make any sketch of face very clearly. Now ears. This is the basic step of drawing ear. All these are the form of ears: helix, anti-helix, antitragus. Then last but not the least, lips, parts of a face. Chapter 38. Observe this. Basic steps. Depending on the shape of mouth, lips are controlled by the shapes of the jaw. The more curved the jaw in front, the more curved the lips. The upper and lower red lips